Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert and remove attachments in the body of Mail in Outlook. This is a handy feature when you want your attachments to appear within your email content rather than just sitting at the top, making your messages more organized and visually integrated. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once everything has loaded up and you can see your inbox, you're ready to begin working with email attachments in a new way. To get started, you'll need to access your email tools by clicking on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This will open up a fresh email composition window where you can craft your message and manage your attachments. From the email composition screen, the process of inserting and removing attachments in the body of your email is quite straightforward. First, let's do a sample attachment to our email so you can see how this works. Click on the Insert tab at the top of the composition window. From here, locate the Attach File drop-down option. When you click on it, you'll see several choices appear. Click on Browse this PC and a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. From here, select a sample file that we can attach to demonstrate the process. Once you've chosen your file, click on Insert to add it to your email. Once the attachment is added, here's where things get interesting. From the default setting, you'll notice that the attachment goes under the subject line while the email is in HTML mode. This is the standard placement that most people are familiar with. Now, to move your attachment into the body of your email, click on Format Text at the top of the screen. From here, look for the Format section where you'll see different formatting options. To move your attachment to the body of your email, click on the Rich Text option. When you switch to Rich Text format, your attachment will immediately move from its position under the subject line and become part of the email body itself. This gives you much more flexibility in how you present your attachments and allows you to position them exactly where you want within your message content. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to insert and remove attachments in the body of your Outlook emails by switching between HTML and rich text formats. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.